Yo, what's up, guys? It's me. I'm being quiet right now because once again I'm filming in the dark. But, this is my desk, as you saw from a few days ago. All the parts of the circuit board. I have glass all over my table. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be disassembling this right here. Right here. I disassemble this puppy. Yeah, alright, so I don't want to show my face for privacy purposes. So we're just gonna, it's already broken, that's why I'm disassembling it. So we're gonna pop this off. That's like so there's a white sheet, and then this is the circuit board. If you guys want to see right here, I'm guessing these are all the LEDs. They respond to the speaker back here, which I'm gonna salvage. Sorry if my voice is really low. Just once again, it's nighttime. So I'm guessing what they do is they use this, it's like a cover for the mic so it sounds better, or the speaker so it sounds better, but also to make the lights look better. There's a piece of glass stuck in my hand. I'm going to use this to cover the color. This muffles the rest of it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, this is the speaker. It's a Bluetooth light-up speaker, and this is the circuit board. And what I'm saying is, I'm guessing they put this here, just to block out the shaping of the light. So there's only one screw in here. That's nice. I just want to go ahead. And then this is really annoying. Probably just because the way they built this. I'm going to make an invention out of you. Gotta get the frickin' screwdriver in first. Just want to make sure the circuit board isn't super glued to the frame. Thank God it isn't, because I don't have an X-Acto knife. This is very annoying. There's a screw that is basically stuck in here. Okay, so I'll show you guys right here if the camera will focus. Right here, there's still one screw left and it's stuck. It's so close to being out. Yes! Alright, I got the screw out. It's right there. And let's open her up. So I'm going to put the camera in a little bit of a higher view. Like here for safe. And we will open up the circuit board. So I don't have my X-Acto knife here with me, so I'm just going to have to make do with a screwdriver. Because I don't want to go downstairs to get a kitchen knife. You can fix this. This is a very fragile board, so I'm trying to be as careful as possible. Actually, there we go. So, unfortunately, I'm going to cut these wires. So I'm going to put this back down here, and we will cut all the wires. 32, one cut. Sweet. That was a pretty clean cut, if I don't say. So we will put this back up here, and look at this. So all these are different lights. Definitely going to use this, so I'll put it right next to blue. Great, there's more screws. And there's super glue all over this one. These are easier to unscrew though. Alright, and then we got 2 more screws left. My camera's about to die. I should have thought about that, but no. Because Wrench here is stupid. And, no, Wrench is the character from Watch Dogs 2. But I feel like I relate to him because I like destroying stuff and disassembling stuff. Oh, shit. One of the speakers is broken. Whatever. I can still hoard this stuff. I just feel it. I relate to this kid. He's way older than me. Not this kid. I relate to him though, so I call myself Wrench. To everyone online. My brother does live stream on YouNow. Really cool kid. And everyone knows me there as Wrench as well, so. I'm getting a Wrench vest and mask for Christmas. The way I am getting the mask is from an awesome YouTuber, a really big inspiration to me. His name is the Nevercat. Just the Nevercat. He's really cool. Definitely check him out. Alright, so we're still stuck in this base, even though I took out the screws, and I want to know why. It does not make a lot of sense. There we go. Wow. So this is the outer of it. It's not really that much. It's just a bunch of plastic. And this is the circuit board to the speaker. And these are the speakers themselves. This is for bass. This is the main speakers. It's all really interesting. Power switch right there. I'm going to keep the circuit board and the speakers. I'll end the video here. Yeah, like, subscribe. I'll upload part 2 later, but for now, we're stuck with this. It's 2 speakers and a bass. So, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you have any specific piece of tech you want me to disassemble another time, like a computer or another tablet or a phone, and I can probably do that. Later dudes.